Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you through a quick video of how I prepare coleslaw. So I get my ingredients together, which consist of mayonnaise. I use half a cabbage, 2 carrots, sugar, brown sugar, and a little hint of black pepper. So I wash my vegetables, make sure they're all clean, then I shred them. On the shredding side of my grater, you can choose to shred either the cabbage first or the carrot first, and black pepper is also optional, you don't have to use it. I also sometimes like shred like cucumber in it, but this time around I only use cabbage and carrots. Here you can see I finished shredding, so I'm just using my hands to mix the carrot in evenly and the cabbage. Then once I have everything mixed in, then I add my sugar, then I add my vinegar, and the black pepper I added lastly to it after I mixed it in, which I mentioned is also optional. And then I just use a fork to fold everything in until you will see it start becoming creamy. This does not need water, and you'll see in the end of this video how creamy it looks, and the vinegar and the sugar melts in it and with the mayonnaise and makes it creamy. So you never need to add water to this, and this is like a really quick and easy side salad that you can use. There you can see I added no water to it, and that's the finished look of it. It can be eaten as is, and you can add additional sugar if you want, or sweeten to your taste. In this video I only used half a cup of sugar, and it was brown sugar. Granulated sugar can be used also, but I think the brown sugar gives it a better taste. Once it's mixed in, then I put in my refrigerator cover to chill overnight or until you're ready to serve. If it's not covered, because it's vegetable, it will change the color. So make sure you can put like a saran wrap over it or a dish cover. Again, this is my way of making coleslaw. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. See you again soon in my next video. Thank you.